Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Today is a collab. My YouTube BFF, my self-appointed president of my fan club that I don't even have a fan club, Millisa from Melissa's Corner. Yay! I have something here that completely, 100% has been influenced by her. She talked me into it. She says, find the money. Look for it. Get it. We need to do this. You need this. You need this for the summer. So it is, of course, you're never going to guess, it's a Coach item. We purchased them at Macy's. It was one of these in the middle of the night, middle of the day. I'm not sure. It was an all-day conversation. It was an all-day conversation. It started in the morning, and she was like, Dee Dee, you need it. I'm like, oh, they're so perfect. But I'm like, do I really need it? She says, yes, you need it for the summer. And I was like, well, she's correct. So I'm just hoping that one, they'll fit, two, that they won't hurt. So you're like, okay, that can't be a handbag. And it's not. It is my first pair of Coach shoes. But not just any shoes. Oh no. Dee Dee Bean cannot disappoint you. Millisa cannot disappoint you. Not just any shoes. Denim Sandals. Now, I probably wouldn't have been so ready to have purchased these had I not purchased the ones from Target that Dawn from Dawnless Couture found, because these pair of sandals Yota from Yota Styles got from Tory Burch. And she says, they're kind of grandpa sandals is what Yota said. So, you know, if Yota can wear this style, I think I might be able to pull it off. Maybe she's a lot more gorgeous than I am, but at least I know they're in style. So it's got a nice rubber sole, first of all. And so that was the first thing I looked at. It's not a slick, like some sandals are slick. It's, you know, a road sandal, so that way I can walk over the gravel and what have you when I go to baseball games, because y'all know how, if y'all ever been to a baseball game, especially when it's for young kids, that, you know, they're not, you know, the areas are not all they're not all paved and what have you. The other thing about this sandal that I absolutely was a yes right away was the fact that it's Velcro. So the Velcro makes it so much easier for me to get in and out of and adjust it. And so I don't have to worry about buckling it, because my fingers just don't do that. I just can't. So that was another deciding factor of whether or not I was going to try these or not. So the fact that I already had a similar pair because of Dawnless Couture and because of Yota Style that I had tried, I knew that the Velcro would work perfectly for me. So yes, it's kind of like going backwards as a kid, you know, where you start your kids off with Velcro sandals, and then, you know, then you go into the big girl sandals or the big boy sandals, where you feed the leather in with the holes and put them in the holes. And then when you're old like me, and you have debilitating issues like me, my RA, and my fingers don't always work, you're back to the Velcro. I knew because of the bottoms it would work, because of the Velcro it would work, because of the sandals for the summer would work, and it was denim, which is the first thing. So something to go with all of those denim bags. I'm going to wear this summer, and I'm going to wear in the fall, and I'm going to wear in the winter, because, you know, here we can wear denim year round. I wear denim year round. I love the C's on here. I love the styling of the C's, and this does have an arch support, which may or may not help me or not. So I don't know as far as how they work. But what I am going to do is I will compare them. Here's the other one. So here's both of them together. I don't know if I will do mod shots for you or not, or if they will, they'll be mod shots from far away. Because I'm not one of those show you my feet kind of people. I'm not like that. I don't know, there are too many mean people on the tubes. What do you mean people in the tubes? But I might wear them and style them for you with the dress, but no promises. But what I will do is do a verbal comparison with these and my Target ones to see if they're any different. I asked Millisa, the first thing I had asked Millisa is, have you purchased them shoes before from Coach? And she said yes. And I said, are they comfortable? She said yes, very comfortable. Because that's the other thing too, is that I need them to be comfortable. And these are high dollar shoes. They're high dollar shoes. Now, I'm not opposed to high dollar shoes because of the fact that when you have feet like mine, as far as where I have a lot of plantar fasciitis problems because of my RA. I just have a lot of inflammation problems because of my RA. So I have to make sure that I wear something and that is why I wear usually only 99.999% of the time I wear Crocs, because Crocs fit the bill and all that. There was a period during when I was sick those 3 months to where I was having trouble with my feet and flare-ups in my feet, and the doctor had said, let's switch you to a pair of tennis shoes that had some extra support in them, and see if that helps for a little while, at least to help to do that. And so I did that for a while, which was difficult because it was hard to find a pair of stylish shoes that had Velcro. So my poor husband was having to tie my shoes for me every time that we went somewhere, but it seemed to help. That just extra support seemed to help. But usually the Crocs are, 100% of the time. Right now I'm wearing Crocs. I'm wearing Crocs right now, and I have no issues with my feet. So Crocs can run a lot of money. If you can't find them on sale, they run a pretty high price, but they're so worth it because they're long lasting. So that was the thing with this, was when I was asking Millisa, is that it's a higher price point on the Richter scale, on the scale, the price point scale for shoes. And I want at least to start off with a fighting chance, because me, it's always hard for me to return anything. So I knew I liked the style because I already had the other style, and I enjoyed it. And when I do the review, I'll tell you a little bit more about the other style in the lower price point. That was a $30 shoe. This is more than that. I'll put down here how much it is. I don't remember how much it is, but it is over $100. The Coach does have some cute shoes. There's a pair of white shoes with red hearts on it. I really want those, but the same issue is that, will they be comfortable for me? I won't know until I buy them, but I don't want to, I'm like, let's just risk them with these. So I was happy with these. So I will do a comparison for y'all in another video. But right now, this was just, Millisa made me do it. She made me buy them. Aren't they cute? Aren't they adorable? But look here, I don't have any of my Coach bags here with me. They're in the other room. Here's my little Dooney bag, and it looks cute. Doesn't it look cute? Yes. I'm excited. This is like the perfect color match to my Cassie, and to my crossbody bag. So I want to try these and use these before I go on vacation, right? Use them here around the house before I go on vacation, so that I can see if they will work while I'm on vacation, because these will be perfect for vacation. So fingers crossed, everybody, fingers crossed. Millisa, you did it to me again. This time you pulled me down the rabbit hole. I was already saying, okay, stop. Let's start climbing out of that rabbit hole. This time you pulled me down into the rabbit hole with these shoes, and now I'm in the Coach shoe rabbit hole. So we'll find out if they're comfy or not. And I'll let you know, Bean Beauties. Alrighty. So thank you very much. Don't forget to go over to Millisa's channel and give her a thumbs up, give her a subscribe, let her know that I sent you over there. If you haven't already seen her channel before, and go see how she approaches her brand new sandals. Alrighty, and let's see if she takes the blame. Yes, let me know. Come back and let me know if she takes the blame or not, that she's the one who enticed me, who said, find that money, let's buy them, let's be shoe twins. Because it's all her fault. It is all Millisa's fault. If she tells you that it's my fault, no, it's Millisa's fault. Okay, Bean Beauties. Love y'all very much. Love y'all. Bye-bye.